Hello everyone, this is July from YITAI. Today, I will introduce you our Rotary CNC router. This machine. Actually, this machine is specially used for rotary die making. It is economical and a small investment compared to laser cutting machine. So let us see the machine structures first. This is a fully closed dust cover. You can see that. So this is the window which can close when you operate this machine. That means no dust can come out. Also can protect the operator from the damage. Okay, let us have a close view of this machine. This machine here, you can see three types. This is for cutting. This is for drilling the holes automatically. And this is our new function which can do the laser marking, quick laser marking. Okay, and together with the machine, we will give you several of these frames with different diameters. Actually, this support frame, we will give you 6 pieces for free, according your diameter request. This one I mean. And here is our pneumatic clamp. Okay, let our engineer to show you about this function. That means you can insert this whole set very quickly. And we will give you one set of the toolbox for free. You can see the toolbox, the wrench, and some small tools inside, including this air duster. Okay, this is the milling knife that we used. When you buy this machine, we can give you 50 pieces for free. Okay. And this is a drilling knife. When you buy this machine, we will give you 1 piece extra for free. Okay, 把它放进去。And the machine can do both Chinese and English vision. Now let our engineer to do one set cutting operation here. Use the monitor to do some small adjustments. The height. Okay, let us start. OK，这个等下拿出来。Here is the cutting result.
这类的，
This is quick marking, this is cutting, and this is drilling. 3 functions in one machine. Okay, actually, just now you can see that the machine speed is about from 0.6 millimeter up to 1 millimeter, 1 meter per minute. And this machine, the precision can be 0.05 millimeter. This machine has the following advantages. Low cost machine, quickly to return investment. Second, low consumption, just 2 degrees of electricity per hour only. Low maintenance cost, milling cutter consumption only. OK， 多少钱啊？7分钟。9点少。OK, let us do another drawing. See. Engineers use the monitor to do some small adjustment for the height. Okay, let us see the cutting result from both sides. This is laser quick marking, cutting and drilling from the positive side and from the negative side, upside and downside. And now our engineer will show you how to install the plywood and take off. How to take off. Okay, now we take off this plywood. Down. Now the engineer install again the Rotary plywood. Actually, when you buy this machine, we suggest that you use a 420-feet container. And inside this container, together with this machine, you can add some rotary die bolt to ship it together. This machine actually special low cost. It is quickly to return the investment and low consumption, only 2 degrees 1 hour. Low maintenance cost, just the milling knife need to change when you're using it. Now, when you buy this machine, you can get 100 pieces milling knife for free. Okay, thanks for today's view of our live show. See you next time.